Hi everyone. Welcome back to EduQuest Horizon. Today, we're going to master reported speech, a key concept in English grammar that helps us retell what someone said. We'll learn the rules, break them down step by step, and practice together with examples. So, grab your notebook and let's get started. What is direct speech? Direct speech refers to quoting the exact words spoken by someone. These words are written within quotation marks, comma, and the sentence remains as it was originally spoken. Example: my uncle said, "I am cooking lunch." While converting it would change to "my uncle said that he was cooking lunch." What is indirect speech? Indirect speech, also known as reported speech, is a way of reporting what someone has said without quoting their exact words. Let's explore the features of reported speech. When converting direct speech into indirect speech, here are some key points to consider. 1. Check if the sentence conveys a universal truth, as universal truths remain unchanged when reported. 2. Identify the tense of the reporting verb. Determine whether the reporting verb is in the past, present, or future tense, as this influences how the sentence is transformed. Understanding these aspects will help you make accurate conversions. Next, pay attention to the tense, persons, and time expressions in the sentences. Here's a handy list of these elements to keep in mind during the conversion process. You might want to save this for future reference. Pronouns in reported speech change because the perspective changes. When we report what someone else said, we have to adjust the pronouns to fit the speaker's point of view. Take a look at the changes in pronoun while changing from direct to indirect speech. Let's quickly go over the key changes to keep in mind when converting a sentence from direct to indirect speech. 1. Quotation marks. Remove the quotation marks from the original sentence. 2. Reporting verb. Adjust the reporting verb if necessary to suit the context. 3. Tense. Change the tense of the reported speech unless the reporting verb is in the present or future tense. 4. Pronouns. Modify the pronouns to match the perspective of the reporting speaker. 5. Time words. Update time-related words, for example, today to that day, to align with the shift in context. Let's look at an example to understand better. Direct speech. My mother said, "I get up early every morning." In this case, "my mother said" remains unchanged. The quotation marks are replaced with that. The pronoun I changes to she to match the subject. The verb get becomes gets to agree with the subject. Up early every morning remains the same because it refers to a daily habit, and daily habits or universal truths do not change in reported speech. Keep this rule in mind when converting such sentences. Here's another one. Direct speech. Raj said to Simran, "Have you ever been to the National Museum?" In this case, said to changes to asked because it's a question. The quotation marks are replaced with if to introduce the question in indirect speech. The pronoun you changes to she to match the subject Simran. The verb have changes to had to shift the tense back. The rest of the sentence, ever been to the National Museum, remains the same. So, the indirect speech would be Raj asked Simran if she had ever been to the National Museum. Now it's your turn. Try these. She said, "I can complete this task." Convert it to indirect speech. They asked, "Did you watch the match yesterday?" Convert it to indirect speech. Share your answers in the comments, and I'll check them out. That's it for today. Reported speech is easy when you know the rules. Practice regularly, and you'll ace it in no time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to EduQuest Horizon. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next video. Happy learning!